Here is the new 9043 tool, one of the best heavy-duty tools on the market. I'm installing a 3/8 closed-end Rivet Nut stainless steel. Just a few tricks on this. You definitely want to make sure it's connected to 90 psi to the tool. Another big thing, and this is a pull-to-stroke, pull-to-pressure tool, so you can adjust the stroke length. The tool does generally come set up with this all the way in. So you just want to use any Allen wrench or something to adjust. If there's a little tool, you can increase the stroke by doing that and decreasing it by going to the negative. Very simple. To use the pull to pressure mechanism in the tool, which we suggest just moving this out to about there. Don't go all the way out or it's going to make too many components too loose. Another big adjustment on this tool is the power of the tool, which all the way out, more colors show. This makes the tool weaker. Just by knowing that this is a larger Rivet Nut, you do have to go in much more, and I already did trial and error on this. Generally, you want to do an upset, and it doesn't do it like so. It's going to kick it off. Not enough power, so then you just slowly increase it. And again, I did this earlier, so I kind of know it needs more power. So this has to go all the way in. And then just simply pull the trigger. And it gives you a great install.